Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to stitch a video on TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open TikTok on your device. Now tap on plus icon and record a video or upload one from your gallery. Then tap Next. You can even customize the video as you like, just as you typically would. Tap Next, so now you're going to tweet a few options. You're going to allow duet, you're going to allow stitch, you're going to allow. Save to device, and where it says who can watch this video, change it to only me, and then tap Post. This one will be saved to your private TikToks, so go to your profile and hit the lock button. This is where your private TikToks are. I'm going to select the video I previously created. Tap those three dots, and now I'm going to simply stitch with a new video, like this. I'm going to choose where I want to stitch, and I just want this part of the clip, and then record my stitch. Just tap and hold down the button. Tap the check mark, then tap Next. When you're here on the screen, make sure to adjust this only back to everyone, and you can add anything you want. You can add your hashtags. Choose your cover and then your caption, and now you can go ahead and post. Everyone will now be able to see your stitched video, including an added video of your selection. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.